You will never again throw away the seeds of melon. Properties of melon seeds. A good alternative to charge vitamin B12. Did you know that melon seeds can be eaten? And did you know that, besides, they have great properties? Source of vitamin B12, among other things. Be sure to watch this video to learn more about the benefits of this food. Melon seeds are a part of the fruit that is generally discarded. However, it is also well known that seeds generally provide various vitamins and minerals. Melon seeds are no exception, and consuming them is highly recommended as they provide vitamin B12 and are an excellent choice to replace cow's milk, in addition to other minerals and essential vitamins. Learn a little more about these seeds and learn how to incorporate them into your diet. Among its benefits are 1. A high protein content of 20%. 2. A low content of unsaturated fats. 3. Contains vitamins A, B6, B12, D, E and K. Today, we are going to teach you a recipe that will help you get healthier. Water of melon seeds. Ingredients: 1. Seeds of a melon. 2. 1 liter of water. 3. Sweetener to taste. You can use stevia, whole sugar. Preparation: 1. Remove the seeds of the melon by helping with a spoon and place in a blender with half a liter of water. 2. Add the sweetener that you prefer to taste and liquefy. 3. Strain the result in a jug and mix the remains again with the other half liter of water. 4. Strain in the same jar and test if the sweetness is adequate. If so, you already have your watermelon seeds ready. 5. If you like it and want to make it less liquid so that it resembles more milk, you can use a little less water.